Going through the program with Gina helped me kind of regain my self-worth. My worry and fear of things has diminished. My sleep is better. My energy level is better. Something that I didn't experience before, either through therapy or talking with my doctor or through medication. There were a couple of negative issues that I was dealing with prior to meeting with Gina. One major issue I faced was related to relationships that I had, because I still felt and knew I was dealing with trauma from my childhood. I had sleep issues. I was indecisive. I was having issues of self-doubt, issues of self-worth, self-confidence. Some of the other methods I've tried in the past to resolve my issues were talk therapy. I used talk therapy, going to a therapist for years, off and on, and seeing minimal results. Talking to friends that produced minimal results. I'll be honest, I was self-medicating, which was not good. It would provide some ease, but the problems that I was facing were just constantly present in my everyday life. Working with Gina through the consultation in the very beginning, through the weekly sessions that I had with her, just the overall experience of going through hypnosis, and doing that all through Zoom, by the way, was an incredible experience. I can't stress enough. Me coming in cautiously optimistic, part of me wanted to believe that it would work. Part of me wanted to not believe or have that pessimism and not believe that, okay, it's just one more thing I'm going to try. And will it work for me? It worked. I can't stress that enough. It was a great experience that has changed my life. It has a lasting effect, something that I didn't experience before, either through therapy or talking with my doctor or through medication. Going through the program with Gina helped me kind of regain my self-worth. My day-to-day has drastically improved. My worry and fear of things has diminished. One of the bigger things is that my coworkers and my friends, my loved ones, are actually noticing a difference, which is a huge testimony in and of itself to the program. And if I could say, my sleep is better, my energy level is better, just all around, I'm seeing improvement. I am doing much better in my relationships. It gave me a new look on life, a new perspective. I would say to anyone who is thinking about trying hypnotherapy, do yourself the favor and try it. Your commitment to it is important, but give it a try. If you've exhausted all other options, or if you're just curious, I would strongly recommend hypnotherapy with Gina. I just did my part and the rest worked.